Design Factory task forces are agile student teams that support research and development projects at the Research Campus Arena 2036. The idea is that we generate speed by bringing students together with industry, and Design Factory Stuttgart handles everything from employing the students up to setting up the team dynamics and the agile project management.
This is the third time for us to work with the Design Factory, and I like to engage with the students. I like to see their super nice ideas, and I like to explore what design thinking does for the students to get their ideas.
At Design Factory Stuttgart, we work together with different stakeholders and methods to spark innovations. If you would like to know more about us, visit our website, and there you can see all our efforts. I would like to get to know you and to collaborate.